Hello guys, so in this video we will solve some examples. So these are very basic examples. So let us start with first one. Here we have to find the voltage V1. In all this sum we have to find the corresponding voltage at this node. So how to find this potentials? Okay, this potential are with respect to this reference. Every time the potential is with respect to reference is called absolute potential. Okay, so all these potentials are absolute potentials only. Always we have to take one reference for anything. So in circuits also we will always consider one reference. Without reference we can't solve any problems related to voltage. So let's begin with this. So over here what we will do, in last lecture we discussed case KVL, okay, Kirchhoff's voltage law. So we will apply this for this element. So let let us start with this. So note the method how to write this KVL. So this is V1 and the current is in this direction. So and we are moving from in this direction. So the current we encountered from the opposite side. Okay, current is coming from the opposite side because we are traveling in this direction, downward direction. So we will take plus sign. Okay, we are started with V1 potential. So V1, okay, always we have to consider this potential positive only from where we are starting. So this is V1, then plus 2 into I into R means 2 into 6 because 6 ampere current is flowing. And then here is plus, so we will write minus. Okay, here we have to consider positive voltage only because it is absolute potential, but this is the difference. So we will write minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, so what is the answer? This is 12 minus 10, this is 2, so the answer will be minus 2 volts. Similarly, we will solve this. Same here, 3 ampere current is flowing in downward direction. So the direction over which we are moving is also downward. So both the directions are same. So we will write like this, V2 minus, sign will be minus because current and our direction both are same. So current is in same direction. So minus 2 into, 3 into 4. This is minus, so we will write plus equals to 0. So this is what V2 minus 12 plus 20. Okay, so this is 8. So this is minus 8 volts. Then let's move further. This is V3. Okay, let's say this is 1 ohm. Okay, so V3, then the current is in downward direction. Okay, so what we will write, V3, we are moving also in downward direction only, so the sign will be minus 1 into 4 I into R plus 15 because it is minus, so we will write plus equals to 0. So this is the answer, 15 minus 4, that is minus 11. Okay, similarly this is V4. So V4, we are moving in downward direction, current is in upward direction, so the current is in opposite direction, so we will write plus 2 into 12, and this is plus, so we will write minus 5 equals to 0. So this is 24 minus 5. Okay, that is nothing but 19, so we will write minus 19. Similarly V5. Okay, so the current is in upward direction, we are traveling in downward direction, so the sign will be plus. Okay, this polarity sign is written. Okay, this is actually the answer, this is after the answer. Okay, but I have written just for simplicity to understand. So this is V5. So this is V5, then plus 5 into 2 ampere because 2 ampere current is flowing in upward direction, then minus 30 equals to 0. So this is V5, 10 plus 10 minus 30, that is minus 20, so it is 20 volts. Okay, so similarly you can solve this. Okay, so this is the homework for you, 6, 7 and 8. So please solve it out and comment in the comment box. So one thing I want to discuss is the polarity sign. Okay, I have mentioned the sign in some of the problems. Okay, but it is actually not to be mentioned. Okay, this is actually the question, but I mentioned it. Now let me clear how these signs are put. Always we know that resistor is a thing over which the voltage will drop. Okay, so voltage drop means it will absorb. Okay, so as per the discussion in previous lectures, what we said that the element will absorb the power if and only if the current will enter in the positive terminal. Okay, so obviously this is plus and this is minus because the current is entering in the positive terminal. Okay, this is the direction over which we are moving. This is not the direction of current. So but you can similarly write like this, that this is 2 ohms and this is 6. So what is this? This is 6 into 2. The voltage across, the voltage drop across here is what? I into R, V equals to IR. So 6 into 2, that is 12. Okay, so 12 volt will drop over here, and we know that this is minus 2. Okay, so this is minus 2. Okay, and over here this is plus 10. Okay, this point is at plus 10 volts due to this voltage source, and this is minus 2. Okay, what is the difference between 10 and minus 2? It is of 12. Okay, that's why over here the voltage drop is of 12, we can say like that. But the thing to be noted is that which side is plus and which side is minus. Obviously plus 10 is greater than minus 2. Okay, plus 10 is obviously greater than minus 2, so this sign will be plus and this side will be minus. That's why this is the polarity. Okay, don't underestimate this concept. This will help in lots of problems. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. See you in the next one.